Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Unong yalam Jong United Democratic Party ubak polling do, ulaong baka Hill State People's Democratic Party, kandang don hapo ka Kunhun Regional Democratic Alliance, hendrai haka election MDC kalapan pau, bakan saya Ïakhun hi laga Jong. Ubak pol ulapan pau ya kani haka sngit ho dieng, hadien ba ulapan pau baka don ka jingpen sngau na ka Hspdp, bakala banam don lang syu haka Kunhun RDA. Ubak pol ulaong banakalyang ginong yalam ka Hspdp kilapan pau, baka RDA kandang don kum ka Kunhun Jong ki artali ki seng, hendai ka eka baki kwa kalong, baka election MDC kanya Ïakhun hi laga Jong, klem dan kam banyai lang hapo ka Shatri Jong ka RDA.
Scheduled both. But yesterday I had stated that there was an expression on the part of the Hspdp about its reluctance to work with us in future. But I think the position has now been clarified. They will not pull out of the RDA, but they would like to fight the ADC elections separately. But since that has not been formally conveyed to us, we will only be able to discuss more thoroughly when we meet as alliance partners. So at the moment, they are still part of RDA, but they would like to fight the elections separately. But to discuss that and how that would impact the alliance, we will have to meet formally as an alliance.
There is a tension between, it seems that there is a rising tension between UDP and Hspdp. Somewhere, some miscommunication, every time it's going. Do you see that?
Well, things can be better. There are apprehensions, and I think a lot of this has to do with trust deficit somewhere, which has to be bridged.
Okay, so have you planned for
one more, and now
Supplementary is always 5. Well, have you decided when this RDA meeting will be there?
No, this will have to be done at the level of the president of both the parties. The presidents of the UDP and the Hspdp will mutually agree on a date and notify, and accordingly that meeting will